In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Midjourney Vary Region Edit Prompt in Paint. If you've ever wished you could tweak just one part of a Midjourney image without changing everything else, this is exactly what you need. Vary Region, often called inpainting, lets you target a specific area, describe how you want it to look, and have Midjourney update only that portion while preserving the rest. Start by heading into Discord, where you're using Midjourney. You can work with any image you've already generated or prompt a new one and wait for it to finish. Once you've got the image you want to refine, look for the option labeled Vary Region or Region May Vary beneath the image controls. Click that and Midjourney will open the inpainting interface. You'll see your image with an overlay and simple tools for painting a selection. Use the brush to mask the exact area you want to change. A slightly soft edge around your selection usually blends the update more naturally, while a hard edge can look cut out. Keep the mask focused and intentional. Cover the part you want to transform and overlap just a little into neighboring areas if the change needs to blend into them. If you go too far, use undo and tighten the selection. You can always reset and try again. Once your region is selected, edit the prompt to describe the result you want. Be direct and specific about the change in that area. Mention the object, color, material, pattern, or lighting you want there. If you're happy with the overall style of the image, keep your existing descriptors so the output remains consistent. For example, if the image already has a cinematic, moody look, keep that language so the updated region matches. The more clearly you describe the desired outcome in the masked area, the better Midjourney can focus its changes. After you confirm, Midjourney will process the request and return updated images that primarily modify the masked region. Review the results. If the update isn't quite right, open Vary Region again, refine your mask, adjust your wording to be clearer or more precise, and try another pass. Small prompt tweaks like specifying scale, texture, or lighting direction can make a big difference, as can tightening the mask around the exact details you care about. That's it. By going to Discord, choosing an image, clicking Region May Vary, using the inpainting tools, and editing the prompt to describe the image, you can make precise, high-quality adjustments without rebuilding your entire composition.